Welcome to Mikelegal, your AI-powered legal associate helping you automate your IP process. Introducing MikeTM Manager, your automated dashboard to manage your entire portfolio within seconds. Let's start with the MikeTM Manager dashboard. Setting up the system is very easy. All you need to do is just put the application number and the system will get all the updates from the registry and have all the set documents and extract all the details. You can see all the total applications uploaded, all the pending replies, and all the TLA and oppositions hearing for your marks. The system first automatically tells you about the upcoming renewals this year and next year, giving you ample amount of time to follow up with your clients or team, ensuring no renewal is ever missed. Furthermore, the moment you file a renewal and the valid up-to-date changes, our system tracks it and automatically removes it from the pending renewal table. As we scroll, the system also shows us the pending replies based on your end on the statuses like opposed, rectification filed, etc. Furthermore, the system will also show you the notice document, and if there's a pending reply, it will show you the time remaining for you to file the reply. You can also customize the time remaining and the notice document based on the date of upload or date of dispatch. Secondly, you can access the document by simply clicking on the document. Similarly, you can also see the pending reply to evidence from your end. For the first time, you can also see a graphical representation of your marks based on the status distribution, the type distribution, and the class distribution, all being updated automatically. To see your applications in more detail, simply click here. Here, you can see all the marks which are uploaded and can filter them within seconds based on class, proprietor, status, etc. Therefore, you can create a report for a client for a specific status very easily. You can then select on the mark, click on create report and simply choose the type, name the report. When you click on confirm, you'll get a notification that the report is sent to you on your email and your dashboard, and you can then access your reports from the report section by simply clicking on report, going to the custom report and clicking on the type of report it is. The report is ready. To check further details of the mark, click on the application number. You can then see all the details of the mark as per the registry along with the timeline of the document and even see the uploaded documents as well. You can also add notes and upload your own documents for your internal need. One of the most important things to remember is that MikeTM Manager guarantees that no data is older than 7 days. And you can see the date refresh and the time for a particular application. MikeTM Manager shares a weekly report with you containing all the changes to your mark within the last 7 days. It covers all the changes such as status change, document change, correspondence notice change, opposition notice change, and furthermore. This allows you to automatically keep a track of your portfolio without even having to do any kind of manual intervention. Furthermore, the system can also manage third-party marks which you have opposed and track all the changes to same and communicate to you. With the system would send automated reminders helping you even manage internal tasks. Simply put, MikeTM Manager is the automated legal associate in your pocket, helping you manage your entire portfolio with better efficiency, resulting in better client service and brand management.